I don't know, I'm just not feeling these shots. This is one of the first pieces I picked up. Welcome to today's video. As you can tell from the title, I'm sharing a day in my life as a full-time content creator. As you saw, I shared with you guys my morning routine, and now I'm going to share with you guys my makeup routine. I want to give a huge shout out to my friends at Merit for sending me some of their products to play with these past few weeks. I've been loving using the Merit makeup products because one, they're so easy to use, and two, they leave such a beautiful natural finish, which you guys know is my go-to. So let's get ready together. So my plan for today is actually to head to downtown to shoot some content. I want to get some photos for Instagram and maybe take some reels. I'm actually going to start off with a primer. This is the YSL Touche Eclat Blur Primer. I've had this for a while, and quite a while that I don't really remember exactly when I got it, so I'm trying to use it up. For eyes, I'm starting off with the Hourglass Veil Eye Primer, the Charlotte Tilbury Pillowtalk eyeshadow palette. So I'm just taking that pink shade all over my lid and then going in my crease with the brown shade. And then I'm just blending that out with a fluffy brush. Trying to get better at blending, but this will do. For my lashes, I'm using the Merit Lengthening Mascara in Perfect Black. I'm actually so impressed with this mascara because, as you know, I have oily eyelids and a lot of mascaras just make me look like a panda. This one lasts all day. Very impressed. I'm using the Merit Volumizing Pomade in Brown. I'm just going to use this to fill in my brows, and then I'm going to go back in with a powder to define the shape in the front. Brows are done, and moving on to the rest of the face. Of course, I'm starting off with a color corrector under my eyes just to cancel out the darkness. Now I'm going to use the Merit Perfect Complexion stick in this shade Bisque, and I'm just going to use this all over my face. To blend that all out, I'm going to use this Merit face brush. I love this brush. It's so good and blends so well. Now I'm going to go in with another complexion stick. This is in the shade Buff, and it's a little bit darker than my skin tone. Not too dark, but I'm going to use this as a contour shade. The Merit Cheek Color in Terracotta. This is a cream blush, which you guys know I don't usually wear blush, but I really like this color. And then for highlight, I'm using the Merit Highlighting Balm in the shade Cava. So now I just kind of take some on the back of my hand and like blend it out like this. Take my finger and apply it where I need. So I like it on the tip of my nose, on the tops of my cheeks. And then whatever left over, I apply that under my brow bone and on the inner corners of my eye. I'm gonna let that sit for a second on my face while I line just a little bit of my lash line. I'm taking the shade Brune from MAC and just lightly lining the top of my lash line. And then I'm going to powder my face with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. So under the eyes, just a little on my forehead, lightly on my nose because we don't want to get rid of that highlight. And last but not least, for lips, I'm using the Merit Tinted Lip Oil in Taupe. This is one of their newest colors that they recently launched this month. It's a little deeper than my natural lip color, but I feel like it's perfect for the fall season. Okay, and there you have it. This is the look of the day. It's very just like light, natural, and pretty. And thank you again to Merit for sending over these products for me to try. The lip product, I've been taking this with me in my bag so I can reapply throughout the day. It's not sticky. It's a very natural color. It leaves a great shine. And yeah, before I leave, I wanted to do a quick haul of things I picked up from the Oakenford sample sale. Some of you guys asked for this on Instagram, but I thought I would include it in this video because some of the outfits I'm shooting are from the Oakenford sale. So let me show you what I got. First, my sweater is actually from Oakenford. This is one of the first pieces I picked up. It's this like light taupe sweater with kind of like really baggy sleeves. This is actually a size large. I believe this was meant to be cropped. It's actually really heavy duty, like it's a heavy sweater. So it's definitely super warm. Okay, I took off my belt, but these pants are also from Oakenford. High-waisted, straight cut black jeans. I've only ever owned black skinny jeans, so this is venturing out for me. They are definitely not 100% denim. The back garter is like this stretchy material. Moving on to the rest of the haul. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen these pants already. Got it in this nude color, and you guys know me, once I like something, I get it in multiple colors. So since I was already there, I also bought it in this like taupey color. It actually matches like my sweater. Next we have this Lush maxi dress. I was attracted to it because of the color. I thought it was such a cute muted pink. Would probably save this for like the springtime. Huge tip I have for when shopping is shop sample sales. Duh. And shop off season. So like I'm buying dresses for next season during the season. And my last clothing piece is this gorgeous off-white wool coat. And the two unique parts about this coat is one, the sleeves. They're kind of like a puff sleeve, which I've never really seen in a wool coat before. Then the bottom of the coat is kind of like flared almost. So I feel like this would look so gorgeous during like the Christmas season when I'm wearing like dresses. I lied, I still have one more clothing piece, but this one isn't for me. This is actually for Kenny. It's just this very simple black sweater. Actually, this is kind of cute. I should just keep this for myself. I guess it's a bit unique because it's like a heavier type of long sleeve, so definitely feels like a sweater. And there's like a cut horizontally right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, you know, great girlfriend thinking of her boyfriend while shopping. And then the last few things from this haul are actually home goods. First, I have these two mini vases. Aren't they so cute? So first is this like black circular one. I thought this was so unique. And then this like taller taupey color matches my sweater. And then I have this white container, which originally I was thinking of using it for my makeup brushes, but it's quite tall, so I feel like my makeup brushes would barely be seen through the top. So I might use this as a vase as well, maybe like for a succulent, or yeah, definitely a succulent. I can't really keep anything else alive. And then last thing that wasn't a vase is this really cute dish. On screen it's coming out more gray, but it's more brown in person. I feel like I could use this for like small serving tray for like appetizers, or if you wanted to implement this as like a decor piece, you could put like keys, or even like jewelry in here. But yeah, I thought it was so cute. This is enough shopping for now. Since I've showed you a lot of those pieces, I'm actually going to take a few of them with me to shoot in downtown. So I'm going to pack up my bag, go in my car, and make the trek to downtown to shoot. Hello, I am at my first location. I'm at the very top of this parking lot. Look at LA. Didn't really get my photo yet. I don't know. I think it's because it's my first time shooting alone in a while, so like I'm not really in the groove of things. I don't know, I'm just not feeling these shots. Guys, I was literally trying to just take off my tripod that I rested up here, and I broke it. If you're wondering if I cried, I didn't. If you're wondering if I'm tired, yes, I am. I am so exhausted. I've been up for like 17 hours, going 18. It's already 12. It's 12:12 actually. I had a meeting with one of my clients from Bali. It's crazy to know that I'm able to work with people internationally. If you didn't know, I also do social media management and virtual assistant services over on Socials by Nika. I've been doing content creation and this service business full-time since July, and I'm living my best life, guys. I've never been happier. It's still a lot of work, of course, but I just feel like I have so much more control over my own life, and I can do whatever my heart desires at the pace that I want to. So I'm just so grateful to be able to do everything like this. But anyway, I'm starting to get loopy. I don't even know what I just said. So I'm gonna end the vlog here, but as always, thank you guys so much for taking the time to subscribe and watch this video. Your support means absolutely everything to me. Hope you're having a great week, and I'll see you next time. Good night. Bye.